You're not lazy. I know it feels like you are, but you're not. You're mentally exhausted. Most people don't even realize that's a real thing. From the outside, it looks like you're doing nothing, like you're wasting time, like you don't care, but that's not what it feels like. Inside your head, it's not quiet, it's constant. You're thinking about everything, what you should be doing, what you didn't do, what you're falling behind on. And it doesn't stop. Even when you try to relax, your brain keeps going. So you wake up tired, not physically, but mentally. And then you tell yourself the same thing. I need more discipline. I need to get it together. But no matter how hard you try, everything feels heavy. Even small things take too much effort. And after a while, you start blaming yourself. You think something's wrong with you, but there isn't. Your brain isn't broken. It's overloaded. You're constantly taking in information, scrolling, watching, comparing yourself to people you don't even know. Your mind never gets a break. No silence, no reset. So everything builds up: thoughts, pressure, unprocessed emotions. And eventually, your brain slows you down, not to ruin your life, but to protect you. And that's what people don't understand. It looks like laziness, but it's not, it's overload. And then it gets worse. You compare yourself to everyone else, people who seem focused, disciplined, put together, and you think, why can't I be like that? But you're only seeing the surface, and that adds even more pressure. So you push harder. You try to force yourself to be productive, and the more you force it, the more your brain resists. Until eventually you stop. You scroll, you distract yourself, you avoid everything. Not because you're weak, but because you're overwhelmed. This is what mental exhaustion looks like. You're not resting, you're escaping. So, what do you actually need? Not more discipline, not more pressure. You need less noise, less input, less comparison. You need space. Because when your mind is overloaded, even simple things feel impossible. But when it's clear, everything feels lighter. You don't need motivation, you need recovery. And that starts with something simple: slowing down, not quitting, not giving up, just slowing down enough to breathe again. So, no, you're not lazy. You're just tired in a way that sleep doesn't fix. And once you understand that, things start to change.